These are a Wrigley's brand, and this is Peppermint Cobalt. And let me show you. They got that kind of classic stick look. Very, very good. Very, very good. Very like, just, you can see the color. Nice baby blue color. They smell really good. It's not too like super, super strong. It's just a kind of a medium light flavor that really refreshing. And softness wise, they're on the softer side. They they start off soft. They pretty much stay about the same the whole time. So as you start chewing them, once you get chewing, they just stay. They just have kind of a soft texture to them, and the flavor lasts quite a bit. They taste really good. I hope that you enjoy them, and I hope you have yourself a wonderful day.